Hi everyone, I am Dr. Gopal, Assistant Professor, Department of Extension, Veterinary College, Shumaga. Today we will discuss something about this elasticity concept and its types. We all know that demand extends or contracts respectively with a fall or rise in price. Thus, elasticity means sensitiveness or responsiveness of demand to the change in the price. So, this change or sensitiveness or responsiveness may be small or great. So, with a small change in price, there is a great change in the demand that we call it as elastic. And when even a big change in price induces only a slight change or no change in the demand, that we call it as inelastic. So this concept of elasticity of demand, as explained by the Alfred Marshall, it is the elasticity or responsiveness of demand in a market is great or small accordingly as the amount demanded increases much or little for a given fall in price and diminishes much or little for a given rise in price. So this elasticity is nothing but the ratio of the percentage change in the quantity demanded to the change in the price charged. The formula is elasticity is equal to proportionate change in the demand divided by proportionate change in the price, which can also be written as change in the demand divided by amount demanded, whole thing divided by change in the price divided by price. For example, suppose mangoes are selling at the price of 25 paisa each and a customer demands 10 mangoes at this price. If the price falls to 20 paisa each and the consumer now demands 15 mangoes, we can calculate the elasticity of demand for mangoes with the above formula. It works out to be 2.5. This 2.5 is nothing but the elasticity of demand for mangoes. Types of elasticity of demand. There are three types of elasticity of demand mainly. First one is price elasticity of demand. Second one is income elasticity of demand. Third one is cross elasticity of demand. So let's see measurement of price elasticity of demand. Important methods for calculating price elasticity of demand are percentage method, point method, slope method, total outlay method or arc method. So first one we'll see percentage method. This is measured as a relative change in demand divided by relative change in price or percentage change in demand divided by percentage change in price. Formula is EP, that is elasticity price is equal to percentage change in quantity divided by price. For example, the price of the rice or the paddy rises by 10% and the demand for rice or the paddy falls by 15%. Then EP, the elasticity of price is equal to 15 by 10, it is 1.5. This means that the demand for rice or the paddy is elastic. So if the demand falls to 5% for 10% rise in the price, then EP is equal to 5 by 10, which is 0.5. This means that the demand for rice is inelastic. Thus, there are 5 different measures of elasticity. So we can summarize like this, that is the measures of elasticity. There are 5. If the value of the elasticity is greater than 1, it is elastic demand. The second one, if the value of the elasticity is less than 1, it is inelastic demand. If the value of the elasticity is equal to 1, it is unitary elastic demand. If the value of the elasticity is equal to 0, perfectly inelastic demand it will be. Then the last one, if the value of the elasticity is equal to infinity, it is perfectly inelastic. So the references followed is, we have covered this higher secondary textbook of Tamil Nadu, which is printed first edition 2007 and reprinted in 2015. So with this I conclude. Thank you.